Hello everyone, welcome to my video presentation. This is Revelius Jomari, a BS Current 3C student and a government scholar under the advisory of Paulino Rodriguez Tagailo, PhD CD. This is my dancing traffic enforcer video. I will show how I direct traffic using dance moves while wearing the proper uniform with a vest and gloves. In this video, you will see clear hand gestures, proper whistle use, and smooth traffic direction, all done with some fun and energy. I hope you will like it. I stopped the upcoming side-to-side traffic at the intersection to ensure a smooth flow of vehicles. With clear hand signals and whistle commands, I directed each lane safely with adding a touch of creativity through my dance moves. This helps maintain order while keeping the atmosphere lively and engaging. While dancing, I used clear gestures to guide the vehicles and keep the traffic flowing smoothly. Each move was carefully timed to ensure safety and coordination at the intersection, making traffic management both fun and effective. To end, I gave a final signal with a dance move, ensuring the road was clear. Thank you for watching.